here's the demo and we're going to start with the questions. And what I thought was, because the time is less, so let's have a mixed bag of questions. I'll be giving you questions from different topics across reasoning, and we will be checking which topic is your easiest topic, which topic requires some more efforts. Okay, yeah, fine. So we will definitely do that. And for every question, you will be giving me the answer in the chat box. And if possible, do give me the logic also, because you know, logical reasoning without logic has no meaning, right? So we will start with the class right now. I'll tell you what kind of topics we are going to cover today. Questions from different areas of logical reasoning will be here on your screen today, guys. So starting with the easy questions, I'll take you to the little tricky ones. Okay, so we will start with a bunch of easy questions first. So first we will be focusing on some diagram based questions. Okay, then we will move on to analogy based questions, then finding the odd one out. We also call it classification questions. So even if in the exam you come across a term which means classification, don't get confused on that. Moving next, we will have some sequence based questions. I think you will love these type of questions. And then mirror images. Wow, this is easy, right, guys? Yeah, I can see you people nodding your head. Then next will be Shreya. This will be for class 3 and class 4. Okay. And
Yeah,
meaningful,
and I
yeah,
think, yeah, Shreya, I think I know that you might have exams on 22nd of December, but I think reasoning as a subject, I think is, since it is not taught in school, that is anyway going to be very, very useful, not just from Olympiad's perspective, but also for development of your brain. I think your thinking as well.
yeah, sure. And Shreya, don't do worry that since the exam is earlier, we are doing it now. No issues in that, because if you register, you will be getting the entire course material with you on the very first day. So if you really want to revise some concepts, you can go through the theory paper, which is hardly 1 to 2 pages long. So it will not take you more than 30-40 minutes to revise the concepts also. Okay. So don't feel really frightened about it. Moving next, yes, I was telling you something about the meaningful words. So I will give you one question and let's see who does it first. And the last one is chocolate questions. So chocolate questions is a special section which you will find in Priyasha ma'am's class only, because these are the special questions which I either pick up from previous year question papers, or I make such new questions based on the same difficulty level from the Olympiad section, because they are special, and they are special to Priyasha ma'am, and Priyasha ma'am loves chocolates. So I have named these questions as chocolate questions. So we will be having 2 chocolate questions towards the end of these sessions. And since we are having a virtual class, guys, I can't give you a chocolate for solving the correct chocolate question. Okay. So don't ask me then afterwards. Ma'am, you promised a chocolate for a chocolate question. Okay, let's get started with the first question, guys. Everyone, I want your fingers on the keyboard, because I am sure that within 10 seconds you're going to give me the first answer, right? Okay, let's see who's the one. This is the first question on the screen, guys. Type in the correct answer and the correct logic also. I'm waiting. Wow, Chan, that's nice. Okay, Joy, Shani, Gaurang, Aradhya, Shanvita, very nice. Ayur, very good. But can anyone tell me the reason for that? Excellent, Carl. Very nice, Vignesh. Very good, Vandana. Chinmay, can you tell me the reason for your answer also? Okay, Chan, if the logic is same as previous one, then do you think that figure number 1 and figure number 2 are same, exactly same? No, yes? Okay, Joy, same pattern. Chinmay says it's D. Okay, Ananya says because A has 4 parts. Very nice, Ananya. Okay. Elvin says same pattern. Okay. Mirror. Oh my goodness. I got the correct answer. Elvin. Brilliant. Mirror images. Wow, fantastic. Okay, so others, do you want to agree with mirror images? Yes, Shreya does agrees. Mirror images. Whenever we get such questions, try to divide these pattern questions in four different boxes. Okay. Yes. So when we divide this in four different boxes, we will get the relation between 1 and 2. So what is the relation between 1 and 2? You will say, ma'am, they are mirror images. So because they are mirror image to each other, 3 and 4 will also be the mirror image to each other. Now, those like Nikhil and others who were saying D as the correct answer, now Nikhil has changed his answer. Nikhil, D won't be the correct one because if I carefully show you, this line in the middle is missing. So, because this line is missing, D will not be the correct answer. What about A? Why A is the correct answer? You will say, ma'am, A is absolutely same as the third part. So you asked me to find out mirror image, but this is absolutely same. So this is a learning over here in this question. Do you guys know about symmetry? What is symmetry? Yeah, symmetry means equal parts. So if a body is symmetrical, then the left part will be equals to the right part, or if it is symmetrical horizontally, the top will be equals to the bottom, right? So in the case of mirror images, if the body is symmetrical, that is equal in both the horizontally also, vertically also, then the mirror image of that body will be same. Okay. So that's the tricky part, that it is mirror image only, but it is appearing as same because it's a symmetrical body. Everyone got it? No doubts on this. Shall we proceed to the next question then? Yes, thumbs up. Yes. Okay, fine. So let's quickly move on to the second question, guys. And this time, this is again a very easy peasy question on your screen. Who knows the meaning of embedded here? Okay, Gaurang, I got your answer. Chinmay, Shanvita, Chan, very good. Very nice, Shreyasi. Carl, Radha, Nikhil, Elvin, Aradhya. Wow, brilliant. Ananya, Ayur, Lekhana, very nice. Ishani, Joy, brilliant. Vandana, Nikhil, very good. Okay, so all of you have actually given me the answer, but I got the first logic from Goran. He says that it fits into the figure. That is the meaning of embedded. Very good. Embedded actually means hidden. Okay, so if they have given you something in the figure X, you have to find in which of the options this part is hidden. So it's very, very, very clearly there, visible on the screen. Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, we don't need any explanation for this question. Of course, you don't know. But guys, can I tell you one thing? These questions do come in Olympiads. Even though they are easy, don't think that they will not come in the Olympiads. Because if I want to tell you about the breakup of Olympiads, you will get some questions in the Olympiads which are very, very easy. You will think, how come this question was there in the paper? That's easy. But the thing is that you have to be clever enough and smart enough to select all that easy questions first, do them, and whatever time is left with you, you dedicate that time to the lengthy questions or the difficult ones. Okay, so that's the smart move. And in our classes, we will learn many special techniques called as option elimination, approximate answers, near perfect answer. These techniques will help you to reduce your time in solving such questions. Fine. So that we will be doing in the original classes. Fine. Okay, now let's have another question, guys. This one is an interesting one. Let's see who does it first. I have so many tricks to explore here. I'll tell you, I'll share some of you, like some of these tricks with you in this demo also. Okay, I got an answer from Elvin. Chan, is the answer for this question or the previous one? Okay, Chan has given me, people are following others, I guess. Hmm. Give your own answers and give your logic. Now I'll not take your names until you give me a logic for the one. Okay, okay, I want logic. Even if you're giving the correct answer, I'll not take your name. Give me the logic. Okay, Nikhil. Okay, Elvin. Fine. Chan, if you can't hear me, can you please how can I help you in that? Maybe you can leave the meeting and rejoin, or else Aarti, if you're the host, you can just turn her back to the waiting room and bring her back. I think this helps the kids in my classes. I used
Okay.
to do the same. I just keep them in the waiting room and bring them back
Okay.
if
I'll
it's a
just.
Zoom issue. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Gaurang, brilliant. Ishani, very nice, fantastic, very good, very nice. Chinmaya, very good. Okay, Dina, that's nice. Mm-hmm. How can you learn that? Yes, Nikhil, that's what we will be doing in the first class of our session. I'll give you fascinating tricks to remember all the alphabets from A to Z. And for this question, I'll give you a nice answer. What's that? The logic is correct, guys, that the alphabet place value for G is 7. So tell me, guys, did you actually count where W is, or you know something how to remember this? Then Ishani, okay, Chan counted, very nice. Ijoti, very good, very good. Okay, okay, Joy also counted. That's nice. Okay, Gaurang also counted. But what if I tell you a brilliant trick so that you don't need to count anymore? One which your friend said, Ijoti, that also I'll tell you. And for the individual alphabets, let me show you something. Okay, Khalid. Fine. So those who counted can have a look on the screen. Can I say that I can write G like this? Can you people repeat this behind me right now in your textbooks if you have it beside you? Can we write G like this? Just make a circle and the next is this. Yes. So this will actually help you to remember that the place value of G will be always 7. And for W, what if I ask you to rotate this W in the anti-clockwise direction, guys? You know what anti-clockwise is? If you take a clock and you reduce the time, then it will be how much? It will be anti-clockwise direction. So if I ask you to rotate this W in the anti-clockwise direction, will it look like this? 3? Yes? No? Yes. Okay. I want the answers in the chat box, guys. Be interactive. Answer me in the chat box. So tell me. Good, Chinmaya. Thank you, Elvin. So, very good, Nikhil. So, guys, if this is 3, you tell me one thing. What number are possible in the alphabet series? You will say, ma'am, 3 is equals to C because we know ABC. So, it's very easy to remember C is 3. Then it can be 13, then it can be 23. Can I make it 33 also, guys? No? Yes? No? Why? No, Ishani, we can't make it. You will only tell me the reason. Tell me, how many alphabets do we have? We have 26 alphabets. Excellent, Dina. That's correct. Chan, that's correct. Ishani, very good. Khalid and Ananya. We have 26 alphabets. So we can't make it 33. So now we have only two options left, 13 or 23. Now tell me, where is W present? W is present near to Z, no? Yeah, W is near Z. So of course it will be 2. So what we will write it as 23. Correct, Ishani. I told you, you will only tell me the answer. So 23 will what we will remember for W. Similarly, only one 3 is left, guys. Remember this. If I ask you to rotate the M like this in the clockwise direction this time, I'll tell you, Gaurang, hold on, have some patience. Yeah, so this will also become 3. Which 3 is left now? What will be the place value of M? Any guesses? Yes, Ishani. Yes, yes, Ayur. Correct. Elvin, correct. Shanvita, absolutely correct. Shreyasi, it's 13. So we just now learned 3 different techniques to remember G, to remember W, and to remember M. M stands for 13, W stands for 23, and G stands for 7. Interesting, right? Yeah, we will come across many more tricks in our actual classes, guys. Many tricks are waiting for you. So another one which your friend was saying was Ijoti. So Ijoti is basically a table of 5, and in this table of 5, E stands for 5, J stands for 10, O 15, T 20, and Y 25. So this is the place value. Now, if I ask you what is F, you will say, ma'am, E is 5, so F will be plus 1, that is 6. So you can remember with the help of this also, no doubts, no confusions. Okay. When we will be doing the class, guys, we will learn many more tricks like syphil, orex, DHL, PTX, which is a table of 3 and a table of 4. I'll tell you about it in detail when we will be doing the regular classes because it will take a lot of time. Okay? Fine. And apart from this, I'll also be telling you the different methods of remembering these alphabets specifically one by one. Fine. Okay, so let's move on to the next question, guys. The correct answer to this was no doubt option B, that is 23. Ready for the next question? Okay, fine. So this one is an interesting question. You have to find the odd one out. Now remember, you are grown up kids, okay? Don't give very silly logics for this question. Try to apply some mathematics in your answers, guys. I'm waiting for the correct answer. Ayur, I want explanation also, so please give the logic. Same goes to Nikhil. Okay, Elvin. As I said, you all are grown ups. Always remember that whenever we are doing classification or find the odd one out questions, in such questions, children, the other 3 options, like if you are saying B is the correct answer according to you, I am not saying that it is the correct answer. Then in that case, A, C, and D should be similar to each other. Similar. Okay. That is very important point in the classification questions, that if one is odd one out, the remaining 3 should be same. So if you are saying that these are, just because it is widely spaced, it is different, then it is also a bit widely spaced. There is small space here, there is very little space here, so the space between these elements is not the same, right? So that cannot be the right answer. Fine. I got so many answers, so I have to read the chat box now. Sorry for being late because I got so many correct answers. Wow, brilliant, Ishani. Very nice. Very good, Radha. Very good, Khalid. Very good, Kal. That's absolutely correct, Gaurang. Very nice. So you all got it. You people are super intelligent, I tell you. Very nice. What you need is a little bit of, sharpening of minds. Just need to practice more. Okay, great, guys. So if I count the number of beads on the left and the right side, here we will find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beads. And over here also we will find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beads. If I do it for option B, there are 6 beads on each side. Correct, Elvin. For option C, how many beads are there, guys, in the chat box? Very good, Joy. Very good, Ayur. It's 7, 7. Okay, but in D, what happens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left side 8 and right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. So sides are equal, equal, equal. So these three will be same and one will be different, and this different one is option D. So that's how you do the questions on classification. While doing these questions, make sure that the remaining three options should always be same, right? Fantastic. Okay. Anyone, any doubts on this question? No? Shall we proceed to the next question? This is going to be interesting one. Okay. So the next question is on your screen. Take your time and give me the correct answer. Go ahead. You take some time. I'll tell you what to do after 15 seconds. Mm, I don't think that's the correct answer, Shanvita. You can try something else. Okay, Nikhil, but can you give me a reason for that? How you did that? Okay, Joy. Elvin, okay, Dina, good. Likhana, nice. Okay, okay, Joy. Fine. So 15 seconds are down. I'll tell you two methods of doing this question. One method is called the conventional method. Conventional method is the basic method, guys. If you know the basic method, your foundation will always be strong. And even if in an Olympiad you get a tough question, you can convert that tough question into the lengthy question. But you will be able to do that. It will take some time, but you will be able to do that. And after conventional, I'll tell you a short trick for it also. So first, let's do the conventional method. For the conventional methods, I'll request you to take the method which is known as backtracking. What do we understand by backtracking, guys? We have to start our question, like start reading the question and start solving the question from the end. So tell me, in the English alphabets, which letter is the 10th letter from left? If I say left, it means A, B, C, D like this till Z. Very good, Shreyasi. Very good. Very nice, Chinmay. Very good, Ananya Khalid. Pardon me, guys, if I'm missing out on some names. Okay, so fine. You said the right thing that the 10th term will be J. Okay. Now let's do some calculations. I'll just remove this. I'll write my A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. I'll just keep it till here because we don't need it any further. So the 10th letter from the left will be J. So this is what I highlighted. Now what is the next part of the question, guys? The next part is what is the third letter to this letter? So third letter to the left of J. This is the left of J and this is the right of J. So if this is the first, this is the second, this is the third. Which one is the third letter from J? G. Very good. Very good. Very good. Fantastic. Very nice, everyone. So this was the conventional method or the basic method how we will be coming across these questions, right? Clear it is. So understood. Very good, Nikhil. Thank you. So if you people understood this, that's a compliment on my part. Thank you. And yes, this is the basic method of doing this. But if I say I can give you a shortcut of doing that, then let's have a shortcut trick of it also. So what I'll do is I'll just quickly tell you or ask you something. You tell me, okay? Tell me the two directions which are given to you in this question. The two directions. What are the two directions given to you in this question, guys? Please type it in the chat box. Very good, Elvin. Very nice. It's left. Very good, Shreyasi Ishani. Very nice. Left, left. Now, what are the two numbers given to you in this question? Two numbers. Very good, Chinmay. Very good, Joy. It's 10 and it's 3. Now, whenever you get such a question where the directions are same, okay, then in that question, take the bigger number, subtract the smaller number from the bigger number, and directly calculate the seventh letter from the direction given to you. That is seventh letter from the left hand side. You just remember we did it right now, guys. What can we write as 7? Which is the seventh letter from the left? G. Yes. So without breaking the questions in two parts, you can simply solve the question in one single step. That is, whatever two numbers are given to you, subtract that number and take the direction which is given to you. You will get your final answer. Fantastic, isn't it? Yes, yes, very good. Okay, fine. So anyone having any doubts, guys? Can we move to the next question? Yes, we are having less time with us, so please say a yes. Yes, okay, thank you. Fine, guys. It's good that you people are getting it. Very nice. Now, this is an easy peasy question. Can you people give me the answer in 30 seconds on a countdown? Huh? Let's see. Carefully observe this, guys. I am just zooming in the screen a little bit so that you can see the diagrams. Okay, Gaurav. Okay, Ananya. Guys, there is a very simple trick to follow. 30 seconds are down, so I'll tell you that trick. That in the mirror images, you have to make sure that the left and the right are changing, and what remains the same? The top and the bottom remains the same. So which figure option is following this? The left and the right is going to be changed. So now on the left hand side, I will have a inverted 3. Which figure is having inverted 3 on the left hand side? B and D, right? But why will D be not the correct answer? Because star is written upside down. And I just told you that there will be no changes in top and bottom. Correct? So that means my correct answer is going to be no doubt option B, which almost all of you gave. So a round of applause for everyone. Pat your backs, everyone. Brilliant. Very good. Okay. Nikhil says no D. Okay, Nikhil, I'll tell you why it's not D. So it's not D because of this, Nikhil. You can see this is the water image of the word star. And when we change the top and bottom, it becomes the water image. But whenever we form a mirror image, see, S will be written like this. Okay. Similarly, T will be written across the mirror as same T only. But here, how is the T written? It's just written when we will have a water image. So therefore, we don't want water image, we want mirror image. Fine. I hope I cleared your point. Okay, fine. Now, first chocolate question, I guess. Yes, let's have the first chocolate question on screen, guys. Here's the first chocolate question, and let me see how many of you give me the correct answer for it. And I'll be telling you one trick of doing this question in which you can save some time in your Olympiads. Go ahead. Okay, Elvin. Logic, please. Chan, can you give me the logic? Shreyasi, Gaurang. Logic, logic. Very nice, Chan. Very good, Elvin. I must say, you're right, Aarti. This batch is a brilliant one. Very good, Chinmay. Very good, Shreyasi. Very good, Gaurang. That's absolutely correct.
Yes,
Very
absolutely.
nice. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So your answer is correct, guys. That is 43 and 36. And the logic is also correct. That is -7. But the shortcut trick which I wanted to share with you people is the moment you do 50 minus 7, how much do you get? You get a 43, right? Oh, Chan loves chocolate questions. You will get plenty of them in the class. Don't worry. Okay, so 43 is the number. First answer. Okay, and you can see that the first answer is 43 only in one option, that is C. So tell me, what is the smarter move, guys? Do we need to check for the other one also, or can we just go with C? Can we just go with C? Yes, it will save at least 5, 10, 20 seconds maybe. Yes. So if you are not having any repeated options in the first part of your question, that means it's an opportunity for you to save at least few seconds of your time in the Olympiads by ticking the right answer. Okay, because 43 is present only in option C, so it's definitely the right and the smart move to avoid checking the second answer. Okay, you can do that definitely if you finish the paper on time and you have the time to revise. But if you don't have the time to revise, you can definitely take this option. Chan wants more. Okay, so do you guys need one more chocolate question, or should we wrap up the session here? One more. One more. Oh my god, I can see you. I can see your videos. Okay, Shani, fine. So one last question for all of you to wrap up this session. Fine? Okay, Dina. Oh, she wants many more. That's really lovely. Okay, so
Dina,
here
for
we
that you
have,
need to join the course, right, Priyasha?
of course, definitely. Okay, question number 2 on your screen, guys. The last one to wrap up the session. So, light up your brains and get started with the answer. Shanvita, I need the logic. And I'm not sure whether you're telling me the right answer. Hint. Hint that it is not right. Think over it, guys. It's a very interesting question. Yeah, Gaurang, you're very correct, but then like half of your logic is correct. Why are you people giving C as the answer? Okay, C stands for U, and what is the place value of U, guys? No, Chinmaya, even that's not the one. Ah, Dina. Dina came across the first correct answer. Brilliant. Correct, Gaurang. U stands for 21. So what is the relation of AA and 21? There's no relation between AA and 21. Your logic for the first one was correct. Okay, guys. So because we don't have much time, I'll not stay like let you let you stay in suspense for any more. I'll tell you the answer. B. If you know that B stands for 2, so 22 is equals to which alphabet? V. How can we remember that? Like this, 2, 2. V. Okay. Then what is the value of A? A value is 1, right? So 1, 1. And if you follow Ijoti, then J stands for 10. So what will be 11? 11 will be K, right? So what will be our correct answer in this question? Option B. Correct, Joy. Very good. Very good, Shreyasi. Ananya, brilliant. So, guys, love this question? Yes, I can see smiles on your faces. And I do definitely hope that I will see all you people in 15th of December, right? At the same time, where we'll be doing billions of tricks in the class to remember all these place values and, quickly do all such questions. Okay, fine, guys. So, with this, I'll be winding up this demo session for you people. Thank you for being an absolutely fantastic audience.